Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Where does someone derive his authority?
The Guru is authority.
No, I know, but for his actions, other than just following the 4 regular principles and chanting 16 rounds, he does so many other things during the day. Where does he derive his authority if he's not, let's say, living in the
I do not follow. The authority is Guru. You have accepted.
Say I have some outside job, I'm living outside, but I'm not giving 50% of my income. So then that work that I'm doing, is it actually...
Then you are not following the instruction of Guru. That is plain fact.
So that means that whole activity during the day working, that means I'm not following the instruction of the Guru. It's unauthorized.
Yes. If you don't follow the instruction of Guru, then you are fallen down. Immediately. That is the way. Otherwise, why you sing? Jasya prasadad bhagavat. It is my duty to satisfy Guru. Otherwise I am nowhere. So if you prefer to be nowhere, then you disobey, as you like. But if you want to be steady in your position, then you have to follow strictly the instruction of Guru.
all of your instructions simply by reading your books.
Yes. Anyway, follow the instruction. That is required. Follow the instruction. Wherever you remain, it doesn't matter. You are secure. Follow the instruction. Then you are secure. Anywhere, it doesn't matter. That's why I told you that I saw my Guru Maharaj not more than 10 days in my life. But I followed his instruction. I was a grihastha. I never lived with the mott, the temple. It was practical. So many God brothers recommended that he should be in charge in this Bombay temple, this, that. The Guru Maharaj said, yes, better he lives outside, that is good. And he'll do what is needed in due course of time. He said like that. I could not understand at that time what does he expect. Of course, I knew that he wanted me to preach.
I think you have done this in grand style.
Yes, I've done grand style because I strictly follow the instruction of my Guru Maharaj. That's all. Otherwise, I am no strength. I have not played any magic. Did I? No. Any gold manufacturing? Still, I have got better disciples than the gold manufacturing guru.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.